Do you want to invest in a tech startup but don't know how to protect your money? Today, we'll explain how Ecuadorian laws can help you minimize risks. Investing in tech startups is exciting. Big ideas, innovation, and the promise of high returns. But like any investment, it also involves risks. In this video, we'll explain how you can protect yourself as an investor in Ecuador, what the current regulations say, and the legal steps you can take to reduce potential losses. If you're thinking about entering this world, stick around. In Ecuador, tech startups are growing rapidly, driven by initiatives like the Entrepreneurship and Innovation Law, approved in 2020. This has allowed the creation of more companies focused on technology, fintech, and digital solutions. While this is positive, it also means many of these companies are in early stages and face significant challenges. As an investor, it's crucial to understand these risks and know how to protect your capital. Investing in startups comes with considerable risks. Some of the most common in Ecuador include lack of a specific regulation. Well, there are legal frameworks like the Commercial Code and Entrepreneurship Law. Startups often operate in legal gray areas. Early stage projects. Many startups lack consistent revenue or clear proof of their business model. Dependence of a central idea. If the idea fails, the startup collapses. Additionally, tech startups frequently rely on innovation, meaning they may face intellectual property issues, which in Ecuador are regulated under the Organic Code on the Social Knowledge, Economy, Creativity, and Innovation (Ingenios). In Ecuador, several legal tools can help you mitigate risks. The most relevant include shareholder agreements. Before investing, request a clear agreement that defines your rights as a shareholder. For example, what percentage of ownership you'll have, what happens if the company needs more capital, or how profits will be distributed. Legal due diligence. Ensure you perform a legal audit before investing. This includes reviewing whether the startup has formal registrations, contracts with third parties, and whether its technology is protected by valid intellectual property rights. Protective clauses in contracts. Incorporate exit clauses in investment agreements. These allow you to sell your stake in certain cases, such as an acquisition or if the company faces financial difficulties. Entrepreneurship and Innovation Law. Take advantage of the benefits offered by this law, such as the ability for startups to incorporate as simplified stock corporations (SAS), which provide flexibility in governance and reduce bureaucracy. In Ecuador, the Commercial Code governs many contractual relationships between investors and startups. Additionally, the Organic Monetary and Financial Code outlines guidelines for fintechs and companies working with financial technology. If you decide to invest, you should also ensure that the startup complies with regulations from the Superintendency of Companies, Securities, and Insurance, particularly regarding the issuance of securities and financial transparency. An important point is that while the Entrepreneurship Law promotes the creation of startups, it does not eliminate the responsibility of founders to adequately inform investors about risks, which aligns with consumer law principles. A common example, an Ecuadorian fintech developed an app for money transfers. Several investors provided capital, but the company failed to protect its technology with patents. A larger competitor replicated their model and dominated the market. In this case, investors lost their capital because the agreements did not include an indemnity clause for negligence. This highlights the importance of having solid agreements in place. If you want to protect your investments or learn more about the legal framework in Ecuador, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. At Solidum Lawyers, we are here to guide you. See you in the next video.